So for my windows, remember, we just go to the layers and you can change. You should be on layer 0. That means everything is coming out white. But when you go to different things, for instance, doors and windows, I'll click on there. It'll change up here. And this is my layer panel, okay? Remember, we got draw panel, modify. These are the only ones we've been using, but we're going to branch out and start using more. So for my windows, like I said, you just draw a little box and say, that's my window. But do it to a good size because you know what size your windows are going to be. For my doors, we're going to go over here to tools. Now, if you don't see this panel, file, edit, view, insert, remember we click this little white arrow by the share and we go to show menu bar. Then I'm going to go to tools, palettes, tool palettes. And the neat thing about CAD is it has a lot of things in there already for us to use. So for the door, I'll go click door. Then it'll bring it out. And I can just sit this door in here and automatically, if my wall size is bigger, I can click and make it bigger. If I want my door to be bigger, I can click and go make it bigger or smaller. Even if I want it to be a different size, I click one of the arrows to go a different direction. Or I can even say I want it to be open more. I want it to be open all the way. I want it to be closed. Everybody get that? So that is how we use our doors. But just like anything, you can move them, rotate them, all of that stuff. But these are pretty handy because, hey, we don't have to sit there and just draw it by hand anymore. Now we got all these neat tools that we can use and everything. All right, everybody understand? All right, and later on, I'll show you more about layers and how we put stuff on.